Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to take one tree design and turn it into 5 products. And I will also show you a tip at the end that will also make it a slightly different design as well. Thank you for watching this far through. I'm sorry if this seems a bit rushed. I'm trying to get ready for a craft fair and try to do everything at once. As usual, as you can see, it's a really simple design, really. It's just a couple of triangles, slightly getting bigger as they go down. And you can actually turn this into a few different products. So the one I'm doing is, main one is this one here. It's going to have the LED lights in it. That'll be threaded through and then put on the back of these nails. I will show you a picture of it lit up in the dark later. So that's product 1. Product 2 would be the same thing, but just not glued together. 3 single standing trays, which came back from my last Christmas fair. That customer actually asked about that, and so I thought it'd be quite good to make a product. So that's product number 2. So that's also a lot quicker and easier to make. Number 3 would be to then actually glue them all together, which I think this looks great. And you could try and for colour, so you can burn it or just leave it natural wood as you want. You know, spray lacquer, speed things up. This was done in wax, which I also think looks good. I also got this one here, which is wax, got different colour wax in the middle, so you got a different look there as well, which looks also really nice. So that's product 3. So far we've got the trio of trees with the lights in them. We've got the trio of trees which are just singly. Then we've got them as they're glued together. Product number 4 would be doing the same method you did with doing the one with the lights in it, but stop it at that point. Because in that point you can then stick a candle on it, Obviously, that's a bit big. If you put a tea light, so that's product number 4, candle holder. If you wanted to, you could drill a hole for the tea light, obviously put a metal insert in if you're doing that, or you could just use a smaller candle or make the base bigger so it fit a bigger candle on it. But that's also another option. So that would be product number 4. And product number 5 would be just a standard tree, but with a leg and a base on it. So a bit like this one here. So that sort of look, which I think would also do well, depending on how many different varieties you want to offer if you're doing a craft fair. I'd already offer this one, so I'm not going to do it with these ones as well. I just want to show you that there's an opportunity there to do another product as well if you really wanted to. So that'd be 5 products. You could cut out a lot of trees and, decide then what you want to do if you want to make candle holders, any ones with lights in it. In my experience, stuff with lights have done quite well at craft fairs, but we'll see. And then the bonus tip at the end of it, you could change the wood, different thicknesses and different heights. So same angle cuts at 30 degrees, like these ones are done. But that's where this tree comes in. So you don't have to do flat design like these ones. As you can see, they are all different heights. You've got all different colours. That's just lacquered. And I also think the outcome of that looks great as well. So thanks for watching. I hope you have got some ideas or some inspiration on what sort of Christmas trees you want to offer this year. I know the big day is coming up very quickly, and before you know it, it's been and gone. So hopefully enjoy the video. If you could like and subscribe, that'd be great. And leave a comment down below if you've got any other designs of trees you think you could have included in this. But these are the 5 I could think of. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.